Alright, hello everyone, and today, after the Nokia update video, I'm going to teach you on how you can unlock your Nokia phone, which is specifically for Nokia N70 right here. Um, this is mostly done on the phone itself, so you don't have to worry about using computer a lot on this thing. The only time that you'll need your computer is uh, putting in the files. So what you're gonna need for this method to work on your Nokia N70 was a piece of MMC card, one MMC card. The file is only kilobytes, so you don't have to worry how much size of a MMC card you want. This is the stock 64 megabytes capacity, and of course your phone, which is if we're gonna use a situation right now, is passcode lock, so you can unlock it, and of course a computer. So I will like to credit Mr. Jawad 8305 for providing everyone on the site or the website that I visited to use this file in order to unlock their Nokia N70s. Um, it's in here somewhere. Let me just find it for you. Mm, Here in the N70 folder, and it is in. Let me just see. There you go. Unlock security code by Jawad. This is made in, I don't know, very long time ago, really, 2006. Let me just see. There we go, 2006 over there. And I'm not even born yet when this thing was made. So thank you, Mr. Jawad, for this file. Even though it's a very long time ago, it still works. So what you want to do was to install, I mean, like download this zip file right here. I will provide the link in the description if you have an N70 which is passcode locked, and you can download this file. So after you downloaded this file, it'll appear as a RAR file. So you just need to um, extract it, and it will be an MDL file. So what you want to do was to have this a MMC card and insert it to your computer. You can use either a SD card reader, or if you're using a laptop, maybe there's an SD card reader in there, so that you can use that in order to put it in. So MMC cards can work on SD card slots, so you don't have to worry on putting it in a very specific card slot. So it works in SD cards, so you don't have to worry about it. So I'm just going to put the file, and we will see this thing later. So I'll update you. Hello again. So I switched back to my laptop because my PC right here clearly doesn't have an SD card reader. So this is an old laptop of mine. As you can see, the screen is quite broken, but still usable. It runs Windows 7, so it's compatible with old Nokia stuff, because old Nokia stuff needs old software anyway. So this laptop has a SD card reader, which again um, uh, can use the MMC to read. So I can use MMC card to put it in onto the SD card slot. So let's now put it in. So I'll just show you the video that I'm putting it in, so you can't call that this is fake. So we'll see. Alright, so we're now going to put our card in. So there's an SD card slot over here. There you go. And then I'm just going to push it in with my forceps right here. Just to push it up. There you go. and you go. So I'm just, there she is, it's inside. Let me just poke it out a little bit. There you go. So I'm just going to see if our card is detected somehow. I hope it's detected, because if not, I need to put it out again. And it seems like it's not. So I'm just going to wiggle it out. Let's see if it scans again, and I'll show you that it's now detected. So I'm just going to pause the video. When the card is detected, we're going to continue it. And here we go. So it's now detected, Jawad MMC. I called it Jawad MMC because I want to credit Mr. Jawad for making this file. And I named Jawad MMC for crediting him, so I will remember his deeds. Because I really thank him a lot. Because if not, if I didn't saw that thread weeks ago, this project would have failed somehow. Because I'm just really desperate for other methods. So, this thing is full of files. Now let's just format it. Okay, so format it. We need to format it. And make sure that your format is FAT. F-A-T. Not like fat people, but FAT. Okay? Not NTFS, not XFAT, just FAT, okay? So, sorry for the joke, but yeah, let's start. Okay. And let's format everything. Format complete. There you go. So all of the file system inside is destroyed. There's nothing else. Now, based on the instruction, create a new file. I mean, like a folder. So create a folder like this, and name it system. Okay, I'm naming it system. There you go. Now, what you want to do is enter on the folder and create another folder. Okay, you're following me. I created a system folder, so a folder is named system. Now I want to right click and create a new folder, and now we're gonna call it recogs. Everything is in lowercase, you don't have to worry. Recogs, R-E-C-O-G-S, recogs. Now enter, and now we created the file, I mean the folder. I'm sorry, I'm really hard, I'm not really good of distinguishing what's file and folder, but yeah. So I created a folder. Now we need to enter the recogs, and now put the MDL file that we extracted earlier. Since it's in here somewhere, let me just see if it's still in here. There you go. Unlock security code by Jawad, and we can see it's in here. We just close that, and now I'm just going to copy the file to the clipboard. So I copied the file. Again, let's enter it on the system folder, the recogs folder, and paste the file inside the recogs folder. You followed me there. So system, now go to recogs, and inside you put the file. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now what is the next step is to extract the MMC card on your laptop and put it on your phone. So I'm just going to remove the MMC card, and we'll continue to the next step. Alright, so I locked my phone. I locked coded. So the password, I know the password, 54321. So it will say it's a correct password. But let's open it up just for verification that we still have the password. And if we enter a code, it won't. If we enter a wrong code, it will, you know, it won't accept it. So let me just wait for it to boot, and let's wait the lock code screen to pop up. So I have a SIM card, so I'm just gonna go offline right now. So it did boot up. So I'm going to put the password again. Let me just put it in. So you want to go to the tools, settings, then let me go to security, phone and SIM, lock code, auto lock period, lock SIM card if change, confirm SIM services. So let me go to the lock code. Lock code is 54321. The lock code. So let's set our lock code to 1. Let's not do the default one. Let's see 8 08. Wait, let me just go back. Phone and SIM. Lock code 54321. Then new lock code 08523. Okay, it's just a upside down L on the keypad, so 08523. Okay, there you go. Lock code changed. Everything is changed. Alright, so yes. Okay, so it's on the yes mode. So I'm going to remove the SIM. Let's see if the lock code will kick in. Alright, so I'm just removing my SIM card right now. There you go. So I removed my SIM card. Now let's put our battery back in and let's see if the lock code will now enable. Alright. It'll take quite a few time to boot up, but I mean it's an old phone, so that's how we roll. There you go. So there's your lock code, and I'll enter a wrong lock code. So remember, we set the lock code to 08523. Now I'll enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Code error, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It won't let me in. So this is the situation. You can't unlock your phone, right? So after 5 attempts, the phone will say try again in 5 minutes. I don't want to do that because I just don't want to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. No. Okay. So let's turn it on. I mean, let's turn it off. Okay, there you go. So turn it off. Now, according to instructions, we need to remove our phone battery. So let's remove that. So remove my back case, remove our battery. Okay, that's that. We now removed our battery. Now, what you want to do next is to put in the MMC card. So let's drain the battery. Might be some residual power still in, so I'm just gonna long press the power button without the battery to you know, bleed the extra power that is still in the board. Okay, that's enough. Now let's put our MMC card right here. So I'm just gonna put my fan on me because there's mosquitoes all around. Alright, so let's put let's put our MMC card in here. Okay, let's put it in. There you go. Nice. Now what you want to do was to now put in your battery. So let me just take a timer here, because according to the instructions we need to wait for exactly 3 minutes. Not really exactly, but based on the guide we need to wait 3 minutes. So we're gonna go with timer. No, let's go with stopwatch, because once we turn it on we're gonna play the stopwatch, right? So the stopwatch will be here. So now I'm gonna put my battery in here. I'm gonna close the phone, and now let's turn it on and let's play the timer. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, didn't turn on. Shoot. False alarm. Okay, didn't turn on. Let's bleed off the extra power in there. Okay, let's put our battery back in. Okay, one more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go, play. So we need to wait exactly 3 minutes. But if you want to be sure, we will wait for 4 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna just lay it down. Don't do anything, okay? I'm gonna lay it down in here because the other palm rest is hot because it has the CPU on it. So we're going to wait for 4 minutes. And I'm just going to not talk for 4 minutes, I think. But it will post like this, as you can see. You'll still have the lock code like this, so you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about anything. Just let it be. Okay, ignore it. Like ignore it for your life for like 4 minutes. But I mean, like seriously, just don't do anything with it. Don't touch it. Don't mess with it. Just let it be. Wait for 4 minutes or 3 minutes if you want. The reason why I put my the time for 4 minutes is just I just want to I just want all of the process happening to the phone to be over. So we'll wait for 4 minutes. God, I really just want to speak right now, but yeah, gonna wait. Alright, so 4 minutes is over. Let's pause it in. And says to the phone was to remove the battery. So we're gonna remove our battery. Remove the battery. There you go. And remove the MMC card. So we're gonna remove that. put it on the side, and then just gonna go for the battery drain because it might not power on the next time. Okay, so that's drained. Put our battery in, our cover in, and now the moment of truth. We gotta open it up and let's see if the method works. There you go. Reset it. So you can see, reset it. So that is the whole 4 minutes of worth of video. I will not fast forward that. Real time 4 minutes. So yeah, let's just set our time right here, 10:39 p.m. So let's just set our time. Jesus. Okay, 10:40. Let's just okay that. And there you go. I don't have anything to say. It's just there you go. Reset it. Good as new. And the MSPC card. So you'll be probably asking what I'm going to do with the MMC card now. What I'll do with it? Well, all you have to do was just probably reset it or format it again. So format it on your computer, then put it into your phone, and the phone will reset it. But I haven't tried formatting it on the phone itself. So let's try putting the memory card into the phone. So there you go. Now we go to tools, memory, no memory card inserted unfortunately. So what you're going to do now again is to put it in on your laptop and format this. So you're just gonna format it. You don't have to do anything with it, just format it and let the phone do the work. It will format the memory card on its own. So I'm just going to format this thing and I'm going to put it in so you can see that this memory card is still functional. So I'm just going to go back. I'll be right back real quick. There you go. So here is the MMC again. I inserted it on my laptop. Now what you just want to do is just to format it like what we did on the steps before. So just right click that and then click format, and as you can see, just don't mess anything around here. Start. Click OK. Format complete. That's it. So I'm just going to remove it again with my forceps and we'll be right back. I just want to show you my struggle in getting this MMC card out in my SD card slot. Oh my god. I really have to get this thing out or else I might disassemble the whole computer or the laptop just to get this thing out. Alright, I'll be right back when this thing is done. Alright, so I'm back. My iPhone ran out of storage, unfortunately. So I have to do this real quick. Let's see if our SD card is detected. Tools, memory. And as you can see, it is now detected. So let's just format our memory card from the phone so we can have the directories. So I'm just going to name it Jawad again. So um, J or is W. Um, M M C. There you go. Can I name it like that? Alright, there we go. So we have used 9 kilobytes. That is probably from the folders that is created by the phone. And there it is. You have a perfectly resetted Nokia N70. Now this method is only applicable if you really want to get an unlocked phone, because everything in here will be destroyed. So files, photos, and everything. So you have to back up everything before doing this, because if you don't, well, everything will be destroyed. But backup, backupping on the lock phone, I haven't discovered any method yet, and I can't um, demonstrate it right now. But this is the only thing I can give at the moment: resetting your phone using an MMC card, resetting your Nokia MMC using the MMC card. So I hope this video has been useful for you. If you found this video looking for answers on your locked Nokia um, N70, this could actually also work for other phones as well, like Symbian, uses Symbian. So like, I don't know, 6680, I guess it can also work with that and other models. So yeah, again, thank you for Mr. Jawad for you know, getting this file for us, and it helps a lot. So I'm gonna put the link down below for the website, and also putting the link for the download link. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again later.